Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another Miniverse Make It Mini baby food. There is a pinhole right here that kind of lines up with that top of that M, and this should be the baby bottle bundle number 2. So let's open it and see. So this time I still got another blue one. I assume there's different colors for them, but ooh, it's a different, oh, it comes in a bassinet. The last one did not. So it looks like there's more stuff going on here. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. The packaging. We have 2 baby bottles, one pink and one looks like a bear. Bear and a bunny, perhaps. That's cute. Now this turns into, my last one turned into a chair. This one, I guess, turns into a bed. Does that just snap on there? Oh my goodness. Okay. It actually shows you on here so we can just see. Yep, that just lays on top. Baby goes in there swaddled with its milk, which you're not supposed to do. But we did get the baby bottle bundle number 2. So there's formula you can mix. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My daughter is, I could just hear her squealing now. And then the green stuff is soap, so you can actually scrub it out. They give you scrubbers. And then the little thing to dry it on. Are you kidding me? That is so stinking cute. Here's the water kettle. Oh my gosh. The stuff this comes with to repurpose is amazing. What is in there that oh, the scooper. Very authentic. The formula. Looks like the other baby bottle, it comes with a blue kettle and this is blue. So a little bit of different color variations. This slides out. This is plastic, but you can still use it for play. The swaddle. That's so cute. The baby is rubbery, like I said in the last one. Very reminiscent of the, was it Mini Brands that made the babies that we had before, and there was like cribs and strollers. That was super cute. But honestly, I like the idea of making food for them way more. So this is actual soap to clean it with. And it is labeled dish soap. Oh my gosh, got a little silicone bristle brush. The drying rack that we will need to assemble, but it looks very easy. And I think that's it. Let's clean up a bit and get to making it. I don't even want to open these because the packaging is so cute. But we have to. We got to make the formula. Of course, I'm going to completely destroy the packaging. Open this. I'll mix up the formula. I don't know that I'll rinse it out, but we'll pretend. Okay, which bottle should we use? In the last one, we got a cup very similar to this, but it's a bunny, but it has handles. Oh, it even has a lid. Is it actually gonna come out of here? It doesn't really look like there's a hole in it, which I like even better because then my daughter's not gonna drip it all over the house. So let's take this off and see. Does it screw off? No, not really. Okay. It says to put 1 scoop in. Oh my gosh. Can't get over this. I'm at a loss of words for how cute this is. So we're going to do 1 scoop. 1 level scoop. Put it in here. I almost completely missed it, but I didn't. Okay, my kettle. I need to put some water in here. Let's do that. And it says you're supposed to fill it up. So that, oh, make sure you overfill it. We're professionals here. Let's put the lid on. That's not the lid. Oh, it is the lid. I guess that part snaps out, maybe for cleaning. Let's see. Yeah, it should go that way. kind of wish that was one piece. I feel like that would be a little easier. You just push that down and then you shake it. It does show putting the other lid back on, but wait a minute, did I do this wrong? No, I didn't. And it does turn like a milky, cloudy color. And I don't think there's a hole in this. No, there's not. So I like that. Realistic without being messy. And then when you pour this out after you feed the baby, let's feed the baby. Baby doesn't really have a hole there. I mean, it's just like the slightest indent, but the bottle's bigger than that. So that maybe would have been perhaps a little cuter if it kind of like stuck in there, but that's okay. That's adorable. And then when you're done with that, you can rinse it out and clean it. And yeah, you could definitely tell that's dish detergent. It's real thick. And then this fits in there nice and snug, so you could clean it out. And then let's open this. This should just have 3 little cactus looking things. Are they all the same height? I don't think it matters in which order you put those in, because they all look the same, at least to me. Famous last words. That's cute. Kind of look like cactus. You just put that there, and then you could hang the pieces on there to dry out just like you would for an actual baby. That's pretty adorable. You'll have to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this. So I will leave a link below where you can get these from. They are $10.99, but I think well worth it. Very cute. There's different complexions of babies you can get. Let me take the other one out so you can see it. So again, just like I guess they were 5 surprise babies. Very similar, rubbery, come in different colors. But yeah, I love that some of them you can make food for. If you didn't see the last video, I'll show you the checklist. There's 8 to collect. There's 2 that come with the formula and the bottles. There's one with cereal and fruit, potato and veggies. We already did that one. We have yogurt and fruit, oatmeal and fruit, applesauce, and eggs and avocado. They do have the dot codes, so if you have these in the store, go to Meeny Miny Mo and she will show you a cheat sheet of how you know which one you're getting. I just realized that too. There's a picture of each baby in the corner. So it appears, what is that, about 3 or 4 different shades and hair colors and stuff. So there is some variety in the baby. But yeah, I think these are great. What a wonderful idea. Super cute. And we're going to collect them all. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.